At Kmart, our blue lights lower prices every day. Get down to Kmart for low prices. That's blue.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Tsunami Warning Center. This is not a test. A tsunami warning has been issued for all areas that are on the coast of Lake Michigan. At 10 o'clock Central Daylight Time, a meteor that was expected to burn up in Earth's atmosphere has crashed into the center of Lake Michigan, and since then multiple buoys have reported a large wave. It is believed that a tsunami has been generated and will impact the following areas: the south coast of the Upper Peninsula in Michigan, the west and northwest coast of Michigan, the east coast of Wisconsin, the entire coast of Illinois, and the entire coast of Indiana. This includes the following cities and surrounding areas: Chicago, Milwaukee, East Chicago, Green Bay, and Escanaba. Those who are along the coast of Lake Michigan need to evacuate immediately. A tsunami is a wave that is not surfable. If you are on the coast of any of the mentioned states, evacuate as far away from the coast as you can. The National Tsunami Warning Center is monitoring this situation and will update those on this potential historic situation. For those residing in Chicago and Milwaukee, if you cannot evacuate in time, find a building that goes as high as it can. If you cannot enter the building, enter it by any means necessary. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, Commercial Radio, or any news sources for updates regarding this situation once you have evacuated.